Man, listen, I understand. It's all about the journey, right? But apparently, you ain't a legit woodworker until you made yourself a box. For this build, I will be using mahogany for the main frame of the box. The lid of the box will consist of mahogany and poplar. Cut your miters at 45 degrees. Having a table saw sled with a 45-degree placement will make things easier. If you have a table sled, align the wood to the kerf for more precise micro cuts. When cutting thin pieces by hand, keep your hand away from the saw blade. One way to make this cut is to saw half of the piece, flip it, then continue to cut the other side. When you have your desired thickness of the box, cut it to those dimensions. Here, I'm cutting the groove that the bottom of the box will sit in. It's now time to dry fit with tape. If it isn't perfect, most things never are, make small adjustments very carefully. The lid now has to be assembled, because what the heck is a box without one? Imagine getting an Amazon box without a lid. It would be chaos, madness. Stuff will be everywhere. However, it'll probably make the world a little bit more interesting. If you're new to woodworking, this is a panel glue up. It makes many separate boards look like they belong together. I used what I had available to clamp this up, kettlebells and all. It's MacGyver level. Shout out to that dude Angus. And if you were wondering, MacGyver was a TV show in the 80s and the 90s. If you know, you know. I don't have a thickness planer, so I hit up a neighbor who makes awesome cornhole sets, and he said he was able to help me out. Let's call him Dave. But Dave wasn't home, so he told me to leave the pieces I needed him to work on in the back of his truck. Though I have the lid plain, it's not yet to the dimension of the box's insert. Using the insert dimensions, I transfer it to my sled, then make the necessary cuts. I sand only the lid, because who is going to inspect the bottom? Now it's time to glue this bama up. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Because the truth is, most creators would love to increase their reach and increase their audience. As it turns out, one of the best ways to do that is by doing these three things: liking, subscribing, and commenting. Liking a video you enjoy. I really like woodworking, as you probably noticed. And I've learned techniques from other creators like this tape method for your mitered boxes. I saw it here first on YouTube. Since I like the technique, I try and like every video that happens to use it. Typically, once I reach that point, I'm also commenting and subscribing. So wherever you are out there, it would mean a lot to me if you did the same. Finishing touches are just that, ways to close the circle, or the box. Doing things from the heart keeps you committed, motivated, and inspired. When I began building this box for my wife, many thoughts went through my head. Would I mess it up? Would I have enough time? What would she think when she saw it? Is life really like a box of chocolates? Then I began thinking about what this box could represent. I landed on growth. My growth as a woodworker. I've grown a lot, and I'm grateful. But I also think about my growth as a husband, a father, partner, and friend. My name is Dennis. This is Nicely Done.